It's a great, intense 2 weeks with a lot of great people. It has a really technical, intense part of working together and getting into the topic of the summer school. And at the other hand, it's a lot of fun hanging out with everyone and meeting new people.
One key learning from the summer school was that as much as it's about technology, it's also about people and making sure that you think about who the technology is serving and how it can serve them well.
It is putting at the focus and the center of attention the topics of digital transformation and urban resilience, which are really topics that are at the core of how society is moving and what is happening around us. So when you talk about digital transformation, it is something that everybody is sort of interested. It's become a buzzword and very topical. But at the same time, it is a notion and concept that is hard to really unpack at all the levels because it has a lot of implications.
I would say anything we learn here, its potential to change people's lives in the future.
We had the opportunity to meet with the case providers and to know, like, in a closer manner the way they are working and to understand their problems.
There are so many new experiences here. I never thought I could really be given a challenge that has been in the real company, actually trying to solve their real problem. It's not the thing that you will learn from the textbook or something like that.
The benefits of the EIT Digital Summer School is for the students to get together and work on a specific topic throughout the 2 weeks at the same time as having fun.
If you participate in EIT Digital Summer School as a student, it is a chance to work, unlike most of your curricular work, on real problems, talk to real companies, together with your peers and come up with a real solution that actually has a good chance of being implemented. And that is a rare opportunity to get as a student and something that you should cherish.